Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off search history on laptop. Alright, if you want to turn off search history directly from your laptop settings, here's how to do it on a Windows device. First, go ahead and click the Start button. Then open your settings. Once you're in, click on Privacy and Security in the sidebar. Now scroll down a bit until you find the section called Search Permissions, or sometimes just Search History depending on your version. Click on that. Here you will see an option that says Search History on this device. If it's turned on, that means your laptop is saving what you search for in the search bar. To turn that off, just toggle the switch to off. And that's it. Once that's turned off, Windows will stop tracking and saving your searches on this device. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.